This tutorial is all about how to connect your Speaking of Me account to Canva. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to assume that you are a current Speaking of Me user. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand how to create or connect the integration between Speaking of Me and Canva in just a few clicks. You should be able to, by the end of this process, see all of your campaigns and videos from directly within Canva, which means you can drag and drop any video files you have in Speaking of Me into Canva for seamless editing if Canva is your editing tool of choice. And this saves you the time of uploading and downloading those videos continuously in order to get them into the editing tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to sign into my Speaking of Me account. And I'm going to show you how I actually did this myself. So for our own testimonials, I was able to pull in videos and very quickly create finished, polished video testimonials. So now that I'm in my account, I want to go into integrations, which I can find by clicking on the profile icon, then manage account, and lastly, integrations. From with integrations, I have two options to create this integration with Canva. The first is that I want to view the app in Canva because I want Canva to recognize that I'm trying to create a connection here. What this is going to do is it's going to open up a new window with an untitled design, and I should see our app right there within Canva. So I'm going to click View Our App in Canva as the next step. Here's my untitled design, and it will start the Speaking of Me app and recognize that I want to pull in or connect my account. Here we go. So I know that I'm going to be able to create my connection code because that was one of the options I just saw from within my Speaking of Me account. So I'm going to go ahead and click I have my connection code. Going back to my Speaking of Me account, I'm going to click Generate Canva Connection Code. There's my code. Moving back to Canva, I'm going to enter it in and make sure that this works. Happens almost instantly. And here are the exact campaigns that you can see from within my Speaking of Me account. And if I wanted to, just like I created recently a video testimonial using current feedback from some of our users, here I can see the assets from my campaigns, or the QR code if I was designing something where I wanted to use that QR code. And a few of our users who agreed to provide us testimonials. And from here, I can start to seamlessly drag and drop those video elements into the design and complete the design as needed. Now you can see my Canva integration is fully connected from both the Speaking of Me side and from within Canva, which means I'm ready to start collecting and seamlessly editing my videos. Eventually, this the integration is going to become bi-directional. So as you edit the video in Canva and you have a produced video product, you'll actually be able to push that back into Speaking of Me and hopefully eventually into other tools that you're using as well.